Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Poco X6 5G smartphone, so they want to know about the camera performance of this smartphone. Today in this video I will explore the cameras and show you the samples. After this video you will have a clear idea about the camera performance of this smartphone. Actually the display and the battery and the processor of this smartphone is very good. So let me check the cameras. Actually the default camera is of 64 megapixel. So I will click a photo and show you the sample. Actually in this video I will also share the images taken from Google camera that I have installed on my phone. This is from the default camera, as you can see here. This is from the wide angle sensor that is of 8 megapixel. So the wide angle camera is also pretty good, as you can see here, though you cannot expect much from this camera. In normal daytime you will get enough details in the camera. The phone has 2x and 4x zoom. Actually 4x is a digital zoom, so let me take a digital zoomed photo. As you can see here, the details is little bit on the lower side. However, you can expect average performance from the digitally zoomed photo. Now let me show you the other samples, that is portrait mode. Actually in portrait mode I have seen that the blur effect is not proper. As you can see here, a lot of parts have been missed by this camera, so you cannot expect great results from the portrait lens. Actually there is no portrait lens, but it has a digital or it has a software portrait mode, so in that case you will get results like this. So in this camera there are many other modes. Actually 64 megapixel mode is there, which has enough details if you take photo using the 64 megapixel sensor. Let me show you another sample by clicking the 64 megapixel shot, and in this shot you can see that the details are very good. You can use this in social media. I can notice no added saturation in the camera, so the default camera app is taking close to natural shots. Now I will take another 64 megapixel shot. As you can see here, the details are very good, so you can use the camera or the 64 megapixel mode to have a detailed picture, as you can see here. Apart from 64 megapixel camera, you can get panorama, short film, slow motion, time lapse, AI watermark, long exposure shot. Now I will go into the video and show you that you can shoot up to 4K 30 fps, and if you want to get the 60 fps option, in that case you have to shoot in 1080p. However, you cannot expect high-end performance from this smartphone because the stabilization will not be as good as iPhone or any other flagship level phone. Plus you will get a muted color, as you can see here. Let me take the shot and give you the sample so that you can understand by yourself how is the performance of videography during daytime. So you can see that there is little bit of shake, but the stabilization altogether is average and you can get casual videography from this smartphone. Now I will test the HDR performance of this smartphone in extreme condition. As you can see, the sun is behind the leaves, and in this picture you can see that the camera has done a very good job, and you can see the leaves and also the sky is well maintained in this photo. Then I tested the camera of Google camera on this Poco X6 and I got some surprising results. As you can see here, if you take photos from the Google camera, it will show you some contrasty colors and the white balance is little bit on the muted side, but you will get a very good picture. So the dynamic range is actually very good. As you can see here, this is from the main sensor or the GCam sensor that I have taken. Now I will take some HDR footages. As you can see here, the sun is behind the leaves, so I will again test it. The similar picture has been taken from the default camera app also. As you can see here, it is showing more contrasty color and the dynamic effect is very good. As you can see from the last picture, this picture looks better. So when the light is low, actually Google camera takes better picture, but overall if you take pictures in daylight, the default camera app is also very good. Now let me show another example. So I would suggest you to get both the app, Google camera and also the default camera. Whenever you need a better contrasty color, you can take picture from the GCam, or whenever you want natural or you want a white balance little bit more, in that case you can take photo from the default camera app. So this is the camera review of Poco X6. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.